hard work pays. I can't make a crabby, they can't be. They said, "Ya fina banevi, we ye jumadin, and answer when ye jumadin. What the answer say what's ho? They be our area now, see Parliament House, your free baby Parliament House, so call most of a year, Bruno, Nibia, and what were your areas na sa, so I no pan work with Parliament or any area when say no name, not a month for so echo, no more make a yen society or my problem. Round here, what's it, baby? What's here now? We pay you my baby, performance same. Perform tadie and perform papa ye na wo kan nkofo we ga ye hye nkofo ka se ye twie nkofo djuma nkofo mpra ye twie enu nko na ade ye twa apia na ade wusi bro no so e na wo ye hwe. No, find something to do because hard work pays. Work hard and enjoy your life. And no ene anopay me wo ejema. That's what I say. Ye djumade the jai said the piano, what temple manco for Koowaa near Babetoni, Amao, Yama marching, my how, my do, with the uncle for Cono, unco. We saw Mutum Poma, you won't have fast so crowd, talk, you won't have fast so crowd, Sifi, you won't have fast so crowd, Shanta, the papa. Now, who said them who are now all done? What's a brono, so now, what did they be at the parliament? Now, call for Co, Omuka, no matter no more, you might then, Omuko money out. Think about it, maybe I'm like that soon. Is it good to make friends at all? And I say, Adam for me, Adam for so here. If you are not saying beach also, now was a wounded Madame for be is so home, no more I've been tree. And if I don't find, yes, I found Adam for into Nipa down for into ye can't say me now, ye can ye be. Send a bear in Quinyansen, but him we know Adam for Hiana, and I say Hiana. 17 minutes after 6 a.m. Give me a call. Na young call your name and no pay. Ane frame na yenko Mr. Chu be saying no yeah the politics have become the whole show. The face of the show is changed, absolutely changed, and you will love how it's going to go. So give me a call now. Na yenko your name mo share one man on the brakweku and pay ye chiao bi bia hwe no pay bia no ye chemu nyina di no dosom ye chemu nyina papa opambo Matio Sanso and we do for you for but Samson Kwekwe Bwanyankopon ka ho no pay. Yes, so give me a call 18 minutes after 6 a.m. Na yenko yenim Adam for ye and I say Adam for ye. It's good to live your life alone. It's good to enjoy your life alone. Stay alone, work alone, do everything alone. Hey, like seriously, every age you and I say no, I was so far down for now kweni panche no caller.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Papa, now what to say?
Me had more.
Good. Good evening, baby. I'll frame me free.
But you're Asantini, okay, so
alright. Asante, into one of pay.
Okay, I think if I don't move, acquire Madame Popam, the book is at a grill, or the make pass one. A Madame Port, dear. Is it made any man, Madame? Where would make pass one of Adam put them in the room here? There's a maiden in my Madame.
Okay. Yamin car home now on your Kumaswading and Fama. Maybe also frame me 19 minutes after 6. Adam for you, and I say Adam for you. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good
morning, Diane.
Yeah, good morning. We didn't baby our friend.
Yeah, good morning. Hello.
Oh, Oba Kasana Meto on comments you Yanko. Oba Kasa.
Good morning, meet you.
Kasa you.
Jamaica. Jamaica, Miss Adam for the. What's me there? About the mechanics Adam 4 years. Adam 4 years. Yours, Adam 4 years on ma or Cheunia. Maybe Unia may amount or outside. Do Adam for the in your current million. We only question. Madame forget me now. None of our body has the Janico fear. Or mammy, let me change the food. My meeting you for one so memo separate. A mammy, they're no more young no change. Me mammy. Because of naming ya Madame Funiti. Mamma so famous and pa. I'm letting me come back to me now. Some children as well. na me catch no. O ti su keep mama. It's Adam for the damn. That's it.
All right, Medasipi, son of a so a friend. Give me a call now, 20 minutes after 6 a.m. Of course, you're live on Facebook, Koowaa TV, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, Sam Darko's initiative and so on, streaming live. Or friend me Adam for you, and I say Adam for. Hey, it's good to walk alone, eat alone, do everything alone, Charlie. It's going to be possible like that.
Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Papa, now what to say?
Hello?
Pacho, didn't baby I'll frame me free.
Good morning.
Me Pacho, didn't any baby I'll frame me free.
Hello?
Hello, didn't baby I'll frame me free. Oh.
Me Pacho Adam for the phobia, pa. Anyway, so far than 4 over 2 more for to pass.
Okay.
See the day. Also, the cool new bravo.
All right, and Pacho, Medasipi, Sanope, one son or what do I drink? A day about 21 minutes after 6 of Fremia. I see me a far a year phone or so. And yes, I know two who even so I won't say. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello?
Good morning. Hello. Oh, I don't want to make car. Hello, good morning. Hello.
I'm for the yes of the father and for, but I was so sure down for one in Naman.
Okay. All right.
Sure down for now one in Naman because another for the end.
Okay. Me pacho
me
all right. Medasi P say won so no pay what do I drink a day aba Adam for ye and I say Adam for. Me o caller e o line so call am pa show. So no TV no perform na me so won kana no. This is bad. This is bad, pacho. O frame me a me srawada. E ya ma o TV no enko form. Na tie me. Na enim komo. Pacho what I say? Aha. Hello, good morning.
Hello?
Good morning.
Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, didn't baby I'll frame me free.
Hello? Pacho,
Me pacho me to on kapa.
Hello?
Pacho me to on kapa kasa me ho
Good morning.
Good morning.
That's an apple.
Nyame adom me ho ye now so e.
If I make you, Casafi baby any.
Epi entie wa no pay.
The Casafi baby any.
Epi pacho mo anonko.
I'm so sorry, Casafi baby any.
All right. Epi kasa entie o, kasa.
Adam for the baby. Adam for the Adam for one. So one to Adam 14, that was in the power. The boy and Madame Prince, and I said, Adam, and Madame Prince made no achieving him. The boy Adam for, yes, focus in the key as one in the phobia.
Okay. All right.
Now, by answer, I'm not today. And I'm not sure that I topic in the
country. I didn't want to know your Medasipi for what doing shower there. But my question for the day, no, I'm person will come once. I said I'm for you, and I sat down for you. So contribute about that one. Now, it do say about your four bets. Now say no more day or more some.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning. Hello. Good morning.
Hello.
Hello. Morning.
Merci. Because I feel that my friend sister ya.
All right, sister ya ain't you one.
Adam for baby or the Yemen. Hello.
Pacho kasayeti o.
Adam for the Yemen. Yeah. Merci. Well, put the care commission to not come was same life. You see. Adam for the
All right, sister, that's CP for Anope. Also, what doing what the Abba. Thank you so much. I don't know, say the lines no na any more me Anope. I don't know why, but I'm in try with share. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Me pacho macho.
Good morning.
Me pacho dini baby I will frame me free.
Good morning.
That's a pacho kasa. Me to one can. Yanko kasa.
I don't know how my father for my Jesus Christ, Madam Father, and how
Okay. All right. Okay. Or say for Jesus Christ, Adam for how Father phobia. Nyame and what for Nyame shall be brave. Very simple and so straightforward. Hello, good morning. Okay, I think so I'm still waiting for your coming for cause baby no be nothing no. You enjoy the curtains down on the phone session. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
Maybe I told you baby I'll frame me free.
Adam for a year. Lemon, let me see, I will say, when I'm going to plant at a ribbon and trabayan. A young master, the VR for a purpose. And my own getting answer, we need to make decisions. And you need to also father for a Reverend Prophet to my disabled category, Adam Kwame. Yaman Crown. Bye bye. Hello. 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 Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Yeah. Because of media. Adam for me. You know. What to have, you know, the power to one of my what to have, you know, Adam for the nuclear or young Kobe to work Wawari. Over show with my music as Adam for bed, show normal people. So to an hour credit, one for baby at the
Morning.
Hello, Minister.
Kobe Fayase now here.
Good morning, Minister. Now,
Beautiful Kobe. Kobe Patrick one pay.
Minister, I can't make an Adam for the Adam for any dia Obwa. Adam for you. Because I send the COVID natural also. Be here Adam for you watching or two. Nemo Adam for the breed, no name, or for the breed, young could be deal, and no name. And I would choose back who are Ujini dear, who was doing nothing to the sense. Only Mamma could be asked, and you know, for better. You shouldn't have been and son of the right in the Nananti. And for the breed, tobacco pay. You may do it a man of tobacco pay. And a pool, a view, and you bloom, and then go to my for those who accommodate my fashion, and the machine and tobacco pay. And we will papa or dreaming of my grandpa, the Shruniam, Namanadinum. This and avoid the weird then you can be a water and okay. Tobacco pay. The moody diesel do you good and then that.
Okay. Kobe Yakupon Kahon Papa, thank you for a beautiful contribution. What the about Memfa Kobe exactly 6:30 a.m. I catch us in the face of the whole show, no assistant, and then we're going to talk politics a bit. So and I know you will love it because Chroma they say no, you're right, your election year, yeah, we're going to vote. And 2024 is just around the corner, and you know, Rebecca Sa Afa or mine home. from today onwards. But then, hey, your entertainment in the film, definitely every Friday we're going to have the whole solely entertainment. You know, now once you know what me, a Philly style, baby. Or Hemes Treasures Boutique, a Wokumase, Atinga Junction. One more any. Amansie West Robank, and a Wadai Bar, Kumase Bray, sunglasses now pay, perfumes now pay, a chain now pay, shoes, BBR bags, BBR jewels. No Ohima say or the Bema on affordable prices. From Ohima's Treasures Boutique, it was 0244-784-523. 0244-784-523. Now, when Ohima, if you can to catch you, good morning to you. Yes, you know, I appreciate the fact that you've given me this beautiful dress and I like it. God bless you. Yeah, or hima nyame enka ho. And maybe Facebook live messages be brave. I started eba na me pese ebe menement me ready be to be informal. And then you be kwa share the whole, you know, MPP Delegate Congress a koso nano Saturday and afi the mpanimfoɔ na Adam Kwakufo the Okasa Efa ho the Okaye and His Excellency the flag bearer elect for the new patriotic party our Bijna Ejiama Amanyuko coming 2024 election. His Excellency Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Bawumia the Ononso Edutuja Yebekwa Kwiti Sanso and Honorable Kennedy Akompreko Japan on the showdown man the Ononso Sona Ekaye. Considering the fact is also okay, fine, we'll accept it whatsoever the outcome of the election because Ohuni say a free and fair and things went on the way he actually, expected. Well, if you're not coming and if you're not coming, well, he's just making sure say, he will accept the whole thing. Send a bear, Amanyukono, Ebeko, when him Nash coming 2024 election, so no, I am very adorable. And also you think that hey, he's just saying for saying sake and he doesn't really meant what he said. Well, Yebeko Niakwiti and of course, one more candidate are Mujina, Ombiaso Ekasa. We're going to listen to all of them and then we will discuss. But then, me what this caller, this message eha Facebook Live to be precise. Me see me my messages no so drop yours. Koowaa TV GH, Koowaa TV GH, and see Obo Remohana. What drop your message next say. Makai Ede Amam. This is from Skinny. Skinny says that nice. Well, thank you so much. This is from okay, fine. Kufia Sempa Furniture Works. Or say good morning once again to your listeners, of course, from Kujua Sempa Furniture Works. Doom Kumar say thank you so very much. This from Tommy Blair. Say beautiful morning greetings from Ohima's Treasures. Okay, Ohima, thank you so much for being on the show today. Amanka Boss says a good morning. Obapa Honfeja Diane, good morning to you. Thank you for watching the show today. George Mami say good morning, Diane, and your crew. George Mami, thank you so very much. Brakweku America, Brakweku, I can see you. Good morning to you. I've seen your message. God bless you. This from Yakomani that says that Mahama will win 2024 election. I tell you, really? All right, Yanko. Na yonkoshe the whole, Congress a cost. So nano a year memenda. Stay with us. We'll be back after that. Stay with us.
4 people contested. And these are the results. Candidate number 1, Ken Onhinen Japan. He had 71,996. Mahmoud Bawumia, 118,210. Owusu Afriye Akoto, 1,459. Francis Adenimo, 781. Total valid votes, 190,446. Total rejected ballots, 900. Total vote cast, 193,346. By your constitution, for somebody to be declared a winner, the person should have 50% plus. And by our computation, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia had 61.47%. 61.47%. So, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is duly elected as the bearer going to 2024. Thank you very much.
We come to them like some kakai. Honorable Diasa, honorable Diasa. Kennedy the power the master. Kennedy Japan master. Master. Me o master. Me o master. Thank you, Mr. DJ. Thank you. Choboy. MPP will say yeah. MPP will say yeah. MPP Mr. President, the First Lady, the Vice President, the Second Lady, Chief of Staff, National Chairman, Council of Elders Chairman, Election Committees Chairman, my colleagues, aspirants, all protocol observed. Indeed, it's a great day today. I believe the party has been fair and transparent. Yes! That is the only thing I've always been preaching. And I must admit, this election is fair. And my grassroots have spoken. And therefore, I accept the results in good faith.
DJ Sky.
I pledge my support that we're going to work tirelessly to break the age. So, party members that we are here, we should put everything behind us. And let's unite this party. With unity, I believe we can break the age. And that is all I've been preaching for. So I congratulate the Elections Committee, the Police Department, Electoral Commission, and the party members for the commitment you've shown for peace. And I want to assure you, in 2024, the showdown is being translated to NDC. We have to come together and give NDC a showdown. Showdown! So, once again, I want to say thank you to my team for working hard. My wife for the support she gave me. And the party faithfuls who believe in me and voted for me, I say a big thank you to you. And I'll never forget you. So let's come together and success will be ours. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The showdown. DJ.
You see, Honorable Kennedy, Akompreko Japan, and Yetining, finally, Wakasadi, okay, and I say fine. Well, accept the results no in good faith because they're not open and say be son sebi nyado pepe yo e be we pay aye or expect to say it can be a enquoto thing on person betu ya we see any nkofo say but then all those things didn't happen and the fact says sano many nyina no enti me ankoso no hs sebi son sebi nyado Bibia Akototin, and the things were very beautiful, and he accepted the results in good faith. Maybe see a call now you could see the voice of His Excellency, the Vice President, the flag bearer elect. Just oh no, obviously a kind area the new patriotic party for the coming 2024 election. His Excellency Baumia, you could see or no, so no, the Okanye after winning the whole thing. Also, by Obama Kabum, Aye Juma. Or say, Obeko bia boom, and yes, oh, we are winning. Tino says, no. He's, he's just ready to unite everybody. Send a bear on bitimi ako continent now, omutimi a bricky. They ate the really want to break. Yanko, Neokoshenia.
our national chairman, Stephen Intim, the General Secretary, Lawyer Justin Kodia, the Chairman of the Council of Elders, Honorable Hakman Oswajiman, the National Council members of the National Executive Committee, Chairman and members of the Presidential Elections Committee, Ministers of State, Members of Parliament, Constituency Chairman and Executives, Electoral Area Coordinators, and Polling Station Executives, members of our great party, our friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. Moments ago, the Electoral Commission of Ghana declared the outcome of the 2023 MPP presidential primary. From the certified result, I was pronounced the winner with 61% of the valid votes cast. I therefore stand here with profound gratitude and humility, having received the greatest honor of my life. The victory is not mine, but ours. From Bogoso to Bolgatanga, from Axim to Zarantinga, as the party has united and chosen a path to walk in unison. As a wise man once said, a leader without any followers is just a man going for a walk. And I can proudly say that I feel the support from each and every one of our members today, as the poll results show that these are the highest percentage numbers for any first-time presidential candidate in the history of our party. We said it was possible. I thank the Almighty God for making this victory possible and for his unending blessings on me, the MPP, and Ghana. It is a victory for the rank and file of our great party, particularly to you, our hard-working grassroots members at the constituency, electoral area, and polling station levels. You enthusiastically came out in your numbers when I visited you throughout the country, and you rallied support for me amongst yourselves at your respective electoral areas. I am immensely grateful to you. The significance of this victory is not lost on me. I am humbled and overwhelmed. I attended Sakasaka Primary School in Tamale, Tamale Secondary School, Buckingham University in the UK, Oxford University, and Simon Fraser University in Canada. However, it has not been an easy journey. My work experience includes a stint as a farm by day worker with my good friend Dr. Abbas Awolu, who is now in the civil service, during holidays in my secondary school days, to driving a mini cab, which is a taxi in London, and cleaning dormitories in Canada with friends like Richard Opong, who is in Vancouver, as I studied for my PhD to make ends meet. God has brought me this far. I have always worked very hard as a student, a lecturer, a deputy governor, a running mate, and a vice president. And on this historic day, I have been elected as presidential candidate and leader of the great new patriotic party. This is just surreal. I thank God for how far He has brought me. I've always believed that with hard work, honesty, discipline, and faith in God, one can fulfill one's potential. It is possible. I congratulate the Electoral Commission of Ghana and the Presidential Election Committee of the MPP, chaired by the Venerable Professor Mike Eronokwe, for an excellent job done. I also thank and congratulate the security services for an excellent job as well. I also congratulate my fellow aspirants for participating in the process and deepening the democratic credentials of the MPP. Their energies, time, engagement, and resources have contributed to energizing the base of the party and has prepared us all for the crucial battle of 2024. Now let us join together. I am determined to work with all of them and all our supporters to achieve the party's ambition of breaking the 8. That ambition requires the participation of all the aspirants, including my good friend, Honorable Kennedy Ohene Ejepong, who really wanted to give me a showdown today. Well done. Dr. Akoto Afriye Planting, as I call him, Boachi Ajako, Kwabena J. Ajapong, Honorable Joe Ganti, Dr. Kofi Konedu Apreku, Adai Nimo, and Kojo Poku. There are those who would say that we are divided as a party, but I am here to tell them that it couldn't be less true. The MPP is a thriving democracy where leaders are elected, not anointed. And I salute my fellow competitors in this race for partaking in this crucial process. While our plans may differ at times, our visions are aligned. We share a passion for Ghana and a firm conviction that the MPP is the only party that can transform Ghana. The new patriotic party will enter 2024 united and energized. We are ready to make a strong and convincing case for another term in office with a fresh mandate and a new leader. Ladies and gentlemen, the journey towards today has been exciting and at the same time fraught with challenges. I remember the auspicious day on the 14th of August 2008 when, through the visionary leadership of candidate Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, as he was then, and the MPP, I was outdoored onto the uncertain political terrain of our nation. I owe endless gratitude to President Akufo-Addo for his decision in 2008 and his undying confidence in me in the periods 2012, 2016, and 2020. That singular, consistent decision has birthed this historic moment we are witnessing tonight. I thank you, Mr. President, for believing in me. I left Takoradi in 2008, that fateful day, after my outdooring as running mate, to commence my journey in politics, I had the difficult task of convincing a large part of our country to accept the inclusive and truly national character of the new patriotic party. I faced challenges in communities that accepted the decades of propaganda that the MPP was unwelcoming to them. I persevered. I kept going back to those communities, election after election, and with the same message that the MPP is inclusive and ready to work with every Ghanaian, irrespective of tribe or religion. By election 2020, we made significant inroads into the north, taking the
His Excellency, Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, the flag bearer elect. I just original area my MP Kamanyo focus for the coming 2024 election. Wakasa, of course, the Busiafua or New Musia Kani no, wa congratulate you Momo say you, Sebia son, Sebia Yado, or do Munina. Right about now, I'll say Ebefi needing Como, a Sly at Nase, Sly a MPP communicator, yes, team member, as a communication team member, Sir Ena Mekano. Naneje, communication team member of the MPP, forgive me, and Naneje at Nase. Don't worry about that. As time goes on, I'll get to know all their names because now I'm doing politics, so don't worry about that. Yeah. Nana, Akwaba. Nana Boko, dear.
Adumashi, what
yeah, that Yankopon. I know the first time I'm here share with you. Martin Naneji ya badena minshawda into Nemeshaw ama meniaji. Wow, let's look at the whole Congress course last Saturday. How do you see it?
Many about Mitchell. Now Minchia a so much a Cassidy. Menfenchia what ma a Ghana Mampany na Adudankwa a Bufuad. Na pediatry na the flag bearer of our party, His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Muhammad Baum, the Chief of Staff of the Republic, of a party led by the National Chairman, Stephen Ayensu Team, and the General Secretary, Justin from the JFK, Maminchia Assembly for also new media boa the new patriotic party. After baby away. I am a constituency.
Oh, okay.
Miss also a police station organizer.
Oh, okay.
At the MRTC. Mamichia Miami MP, Honorable Stephen Amwa. Sticker and I do not friend of it so on the Deputy Trade Minister. Mami Enchiano baby Biao. Also, new media Udibwa, a share so constituency. Many about. Ejabo, Eja, Enyababa Bedru. Says Eja Nyaba Bedru Kram a Chum Crass account. Because Yem party constitution, I can't say a doom maybe say I was say a pecken the four will be departing. Because over the 1992 constitution, my way more, I'm right the boom mine. I can't be say ubedi mampenia wakwa na 2 terms nti wakwa na 2 terms no okwa unkobio
sa
nti e wo se wo makwan na nipa foforo nso ye den eba nti eduru ho se na nado dankwa kufado de na memo nyina ye den ekwa wiye eye 2024 nti MPP yenso na ye wa abem yenso na ye wa abem na wo se ye pekandifo a obedi party nenim emra na nado dankwa kufado ede ne friends amemo ne ede ekono ewiye nti ye share process na se ye share the reorganization of the party ye call the various polling stations ekokoye abato ewo honomo ama ye yi polling station executives omo wo mantem a omo ye party niwa nti ye sade ni wi no na ye call electoral area electoral area coordinators so ye hwe wo mo ene ye sa elections ni wi ene ye de call constituency level eno ne ye koyi constituency chairman secretary ene ne kofo omo beda a particular constituency ano nti oba nhye so say na wo say ye chairman chairman Jukat ono ene ye nhye so constituency chairman jono no hwe nhye so kesi MPP fo nyina ono hwe de o hwe wo mo so nti ye sa microphone ye de call the region region nso ye call ye no ye kokoko yi ntitene ni omo bededa the various regions no ano nti oba Ashanti region so a ye call ekoko yi chairman wontumi ma ono so eda region we ano nti ye free region no na ye de call national nti ye de call national no na ekoko yi Stephen Ayensu intim chairman ono na ekoko yi ni se party kokuruku MPP kokuruku ni nyina no the whole world ni nyina no be MPP wo bia branches ahodo ewo ho no nyina no ono enena ano nya de emfa emaye na fe so lawyer Justin Kodia from Paul GFK dodo na friend okumkom ono so mo ne chidom as the general secretary of our party na yen party ni mo oye church for which is the general secretary party no na si una so kiye pa because your friend say we need the chief executive officer of the party which is the CEO of the party nti intim Kodia nso so omonna party kese no nyina ano nti ye free honom na reorganization na egusu ayede ye no nti na wo say wa bemu a almost 24 months to the 1 year 11 months to the general election I was say ye candidate for but the opposition a 24 months and Sunday was say ye candidate nti na wo say hu behia say ye ji ye franka to for the benefit na say friends say amane ne amamre edin komo edapotia yemfanto this presidential elections no nti obehwa yem party no ade bi si wom in the year 2007 2008 na ya affected party no pam ema party no yede ekokotena opposition nti as time goes on adwen say ade si 2007 2008 no ye maybe into the new patriotic party bi nti I was say fa kwan bia so na a new tactics be use dey break 8 no I was say dey yefa because in the year 2008 no nipa bi akwanya ne tum no nipa pi na kokofa forms nti obehwa na nipa almost 17 and the call for the first run in the year 2008 2007 2008 nti eba ne sa nchichemu ye den eba party no cracks ahodo ye den eba party no nti party ni ye na adwen se metena se kwan ben na mefa so a sa nipa dom bebre ba ye den eba bebefa ade no emfa sa ohaw no bi onye den emma because unim zendis no mu ni nipa mu ni shede ni presidential material bia because apart from John Mahama says
waje na yo sana because some
o say na se omo elections mu bia akwenya ne to ho nipa etumi be fa forms no was be 3 or say 2 such as former president John Dramani Mahama and Dr. Kwabena Dufo and Honorable Kojo Bonsu nti omo be fa no mo san ebo omkofo buga mkrofo polling station abo ni ade nyina no yamfa ma Dr. Kwabena Dufo ema wode court nti ofri race ni mo so onye de onko bi
ene ma hu ne se o ni nipa na
o se ka mo nipa nka mo bietum no ka nipa be 10 nipa be 15 ede e ba be fa ba sanga mo nipa if you have the man as MPP we always say we have the man so to say MPP no yen shedam build the party on one personality ne mom ye build the party no ye ne ho wa o se fate bia no e ma wo kwan ma ye de oba e ba be fa forms enti the new patriotic party bi sa akwanya ne tum no who say nipa hodo ebe fire almost 11 or 10 and ebe fire forms no the see 2008 no MPP so mpese ebe CBO no or the shishem rabi say nipa na ebro 5 wa the tiene say e was say ye sone so na ye de ebe ka esa 5 say nipa na ebro 5 no some year 10 some year 6 e was say ye sone so na ye de ebe ka 5 indeed the new patriotic party ekase ye beko super delegate na enye the whole party ni na ye de ekwakoto na mum ye wo specific people a omo ye den omo no mba kwakoto no intimi na me from say the creme de la creme of the party omo na ye den omo kokoto eye the super delegate eye abato no nti ye bia kwanya no tumu nipa be eye 11 the kofa forms no ye ko super delegate eye congress na ye kokoso ne so yi eye 5 a omo se na omo fata ai wo so mo ye den omo ko eye the November 4th elections
sure
enti ye ko yi eye nipa 5 no yante ye tiechire ne hu se eye one of our father or a party leading member ranking member of our party honorable Alan Kuduchematin or say nipa 5 no ono so atwe ne hwan den every eye nipa 5 na den academy it na aka 4
sure
na yakobisa na or say one or two reason BC or the super delegate no mo enu nti na we den free elections no mo party mpenifo ka say wamba mama ne nemum was we free party no because political party answer na ko join obi fa ban si so na mo chi ma say bra join political party so what I say nti wa wo do pe den ebe join ayesan freedom of association so what I say no e wo group ase no one of join no so one
now quickly let me come in here let me be a question once and what was so nana Mr. Honorable Alan Chamatin Efrimu, don't you think it's going to affect the party?
Mama, yet the politics is about numbers.
Okay.
Numbers no in such a way say because a two na baku free ma baba beka one.
Okay.
It mean and say no huye day pa and on so nye just ubia keke
sure
or ye senior member of our party. Inti wo free no mpenifo ahodo ene ne edi nkomo a me ne wo kase so party mpenifo ehwe 1 or 2 ayi bi omo betumi ne na yede akasa yede ma na koma yede ato eye ne yem na contest opeso ko content kro obetumi yede ejai. Now you see political party is about numbers and as a politics is about numbers. To the be na se number be betumi ato numedie bi asesa drop that number and you work extra hard for another number. So to say it be a 1 every mu that's obetumi aye juma enya 1 wenya homo be 3 you have to do that. So to say because they see 26 August I call elections or say 1 or 2 reason or see the friend saying elections na ye fair okay can sembe say yabo ni nipa into a resign or in the name of say yabo ni nipa. So to say but you see elections near you know all the aspirants near because it was free and fair although you jitum say fi bia mensa 1 or 2 issues here then esia me no ka say party no impending for etna sia omo hwe say issue no I see no ye then ye resolve it into honorable Alankajo Chamatin every contest no fine or say the reason or the day or the free because only obi atna se na cheda bi san say reason ben pana honorable Alankajo Chamatin gina so ese mo atwe no every party no a onti ase because to make us say oh yeah friends party na skew say what they ma a certain people
no say kana na Mr. Bisa ka wo hu ni say party no sana na etie because ka dru no so ti say obi anim say oh we die any da hope face say was say honorable Alan Chamatin and was say we do delegates you can obi a kra and the pre so like mo mutimi to aba na de man maniko won sa say dem ni na ni
mame in politics ye ni bibia friend do so
okay
because amanyo seminar ye no enye fia konya
okay
on say enka ya hensam dia chieftaincy ya hensam dia enka obetumi aka say asumasi eni ho a edru so so to say because e abusua nti abusua no obeka say oh we ba na edi ade so to say efri we so a etumi ba sa abusua we so so to say but politics na ntesa politics na ye kwakokire ya nipa dodo we free ha na ede ya manesem so to say nti wu no nya kwenya say wo political party mu ubeye a leader make sure say obuild them and also your human relations. Also, say, make yourself available for the party.
Was he not making himself available?
To me, the only akwana me supporting. Me who say no or more say or making himself friend say available for all the party members. A year or say ye year baby or even crown ne sumana or sum. or no a Muslimi, but Okwa sorry, Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Baumia. So to say, Ukon Kremodema, Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Baumia. So be to the bedina, obi kwe ye, akwesidaye, bebia, Dr. Baumia. And I depends on your pesadian. Ye pedie, Yesu, only Yesu. Ye pedie, Esra, also near the so to say, it is Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Baumia, who Nisa Ugruye. Dr. Shaz say, Ope President, then you know, or Shaz say, Papa. Because Nana Kufuor man the opportunity to be the vice president. Okay. Or ye a Juma Emma Ghana Yinaye de Ejinetumo. Great. So to say, it is Doctor any honorable Alanko Jotra Martin. Now Ukasamina Neje mean choose I choose doctor. Because on ya kwa huno. Ya kwa ya huno. So to say, or no and making itself available for sa a nyomanina. It is Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Baumia a ye Nijuma ede. It is say bia. Ubi na SQ ede amano and na say ye we na ede edru so okay unya the opportunity to be in politics to be a leading member so afenso ye somehow the brebia make sure say party for no mo be akobo wo de rule sir and then make catch the general secretary of our party or very young sure after within 40 years obedi friends the general secretary no and we did 40 years obedi 40 years no party ni nyina wo din bi obode ma no say okunkom oh okay. So to say, it's just for a 40-year FNC old man, 40 year. But 40 year, you know, okay. It's me about a whole general secretary of the New Patriotic Party. It will be a free back, or in human, or in the part in Kitaudi, come on. It will not say, now I day will make it a good use of Sadian. And no abua Dr. Baumia, a man na party for Nara, Edinechi, say Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Baumia, or a sefata so yedi, would be a year party in him. Nay, ye obia or cotton baby cousin, a drumeso. Into your skew amobia. Yes, you are moving. I said, and the other costing in our net, the face, I said, I said, Papa, I said, the Montpena Simbi, I said, the movie woman, I said, there will be any Vice President of Pana said, will be engaged away with ye piano on one. It was all. David, Sana would teach China woman. Who say, would teach Rabbi who say, maybe I am Penasem. Okay. And I say, Vice near established candidate, no. Nemo makase party for no se woni omutina yi obi eba obi akwa wo ne ba na wo to ne bedini who make yourself MPs ni bebre na omne omanfo kama ometumi akwa ache no sa ne ma we ngeti we ene ne ade a omoye den omutumi di tena so che no because obi kokko to ne bedini wa expect bum na MPP o okay senior party official be PO ho no so ta say ohu ne say udwene nipa but wo ma as your friendly so I say ukotine chira na obeka jam say edru so party for ni feel all right I'll come back to you again episode 4 and I don't pay my car so we are live on Facebook Koowaa TV GH live on YouTube Koowaa TV some dark initiative some dark TV so no you streaming live at Koowaa is going all the way till 8 a.m. and I'm catch the face of Koowaa no as a sack of crap the politics about the room then no menena neji or ye MPP communication team member Sasso and a Sly or non sawa becoming our present or no obi I need not just introduce him so much in him face way at the industry no wa becoming sentiment na kwaba na afi no yabwera ensem no emu did Diane do here na Jemfi kwat na kwese of course call Facebook now drop your comments or
yeah.
The first time I know is yesterday.
Yeah, sure. Same here.
What come inside there? Now, Manubu, Neji, Eguso, and Tana Oba. How do you see the whole MPP Delegates Congress across the Nano?
Many of them was be with the Ashefon fan cheme. Them say machine I'm use you me de bana menya from so ketu obi okwam. Na mechia minua. Yeah, that is the beauty of democracy. Yanti second showdown. Yes, because a lot of people were expecting second showdown, but Uncle Banisa, me want to say be peaceful, and I don't the day no. I'm say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Ghana Vice President. I don't say NPP for say omedi omo party nenim, Emma omo na. Yes, so don't make opposition as well don't power 2024. Which I believe say opposition they don't be kesiye pa. O say I hear me majority na june. Yes. But the bottom line is everything went on well and kudos to them.
Simple like that.
Yeah.
Well, since no, my minister said so far so good for the MPP or one let's say or flag bearer. Do you think say the pull out or probably the fallout of Honorable Alan Kojo Martin a bit may affect the MPP party for the coming 2024 election?
Well, I affect you maybe Omoyo Bibia any yes. Osha Bato Mokoto last Saturday na Osha figure se baya na se echese Alan church no free party no affect you mo be because Osha Vusa in vice president enyaye na Osha constituency sa mo rejected no region so mo rejected na chese free Alan free no affect you more can be so. It's as it is the first time we want to say NPP flag bearership no Nipa also to Frankamo no the percentage above from which is 61%, which in Kugo Kesia a down name. Oh yes, upon yes 61%. Oh yes, many are crabby me dance say in the history of NPP.
Higher than that.
Yes. Constitution Nanado Danko Akufuado, we share 2016 and 2020, 78.86, and I think was it 94? Yeah. 2016, 2020, respectively. There's a percentage in also. And see me, baby say, then at this time around, you know, about 61%. Then say, Nipanom de Nebana Casano, a domna eni yeno. Omon peno. Oh yes, omon peno. Because Ofa region it is a central region, any voter regional. Omon rejected totally. Yes. Many are my figures yenyano voter or no bamian voter region and a central region. Omon rejected totally. And now over 50 constituencies. And so our MPP a catch and Casano. 50 constituencies and so a rejected no. Which Kugu Kesia at the NPP name 2024 elections. Bomia we say only credibility. True.
What?
Yes, so that man has no yes. Miniama. Why? Sisi amenotie so kra Android phone, all right. Good. Ko Google nebo the best liar. The best liar.
Come on.
No, what about the best liar in Africa?
The best liar in Africa.
The best liar in Africa.
His Excellency Vice President.
A challenge in the metro. Just do that for me.
I will just do that.
Yes.
Just go ahead with your information.
Good. You see, it you know say your credibility. About me, maybe, and it's not even a match for JM. Because about me no records. Only positive record here. Me bit mad as here. Record of it in the about no for here digitalization. I don't want to record of it in the about no for here. Because me kai say 2016 na omo pair running mates. Na now the show no the o. Am Monday meet me abu. Na mum se meet me abu. Me here obi oye economist. And wetimi abeboa me. Introduce mo no so. Ma me fa ba o ono na mejidi se why Juma Bank of Ghana why economist I would name Ghana sika someone to tie nyina. In fact ekwaye wantwu MPP amanyo ku nim. I'm sorry I don't have a dictionary but you bet me I can share. Me patcho who is the best liar in Africa? Mr. Be sincere to your viewers.
No, I'm just being sincere to my viewers.
Okay.
As a lion is considered.
I'm not talking about the meaning of lion. I said, who is the biggest liar? That is what I asked. Good. It's your Kodane when you MPP party nima. Omo yes, Omo Tiasi, Binum so Montiasi, and Akufa the power much him. Said that inside. So be here, because on the kind of hodia. There's a Ghana, we are good to go. In fact, when you are Kenyano, Obeye running mate, eventually Obeye vice president. Ama Enomono Obeye head of the economic management team. I'm saying, what's this? Can you want to cheer a shuffle? Can you want to cheer a shuffle? Emma eventually Obeye vice president. Emma Obeye head of the economic management team. To date, 7 years. And I'm looking at the head of the economic management team. And your ma atiti apansam sano. Share adapecha Baumiacha and DC prior to 2016 elections, starting from 2014. And no target Mahama incompetent. In any communications officers in Inano. Your cash will be an say Moko studio. More address him. Oh yes. Because I mean you're doing about no lady. So remember me crowd or those make a summit. I mean you're doing any communications officers in India will be in a job at trust to do the incompetent Mahama, They don't see things. Didn't you see things now fall within the incompetence doing? Me who be biasa because at that time no say let me cry 100 cedis eshim botomoa. Me who say me to petrol 6 gallons. Okay. Yes. Say 100 cedis eshim botomoa. Na me to petrol 6 gallons. Cause 1 gallon a year 14 cedis 50 pesos. Yes. Tina me to as much as 6 gallons.
Sure.
Now your friend is saying Calipo. Say Calipo na don't know you know. At that time me tono. Me 1 cedi and me tobacco. And then me 4 cedis and now 5 cedis. And then me to petrol 1 gallon. I just say me around 60 to 70 cedis. And so me to 1 gallon. So not incompetence in everything. Because that time me dollar say me $1 and I'm 3 cedis 90 pesos. Let me $1. And your ma assistant. I would the way it is. Send a normal city. No, Sadi Beyan is not me patrol. Ubana will catch a Ghana for say in 18 months. You know, you will change the face of this country. You make Ghana look like Abuchi. Accra will be the cleanest city in the West Africa. 1 district, 1 factory, 1 village, 1 town. Job opportunities here and there. So for you to tell me, say, now unemployment rate was 8.6. As we're talking now, it's hitting 14%. Meaning, say, unemployment rate across a whole lot. Maybe some devil much, but the making and say, Mahama, a friend say, Baumia, vice president. Yeah. His Excellency. Yeah. Time I know catch mama so incompetent. Now when you say near city. Sometimes now or held in any position near presidency. So he was just going about ranting, calling Mahama names here and there. But no name say some more enough. Yes. I remember the name here honest and visionary and experienced people. Okay. I remember no be a said we talkative. And I'll be a read the economics book 10. Because not kind of winning so but me the economic messiah, economic wasted. I would depend to people as well.
Was he not?
I don't know, yeah. Okay. No to me be I was a son from former president but yeah, you know what? I'll be very happy. On se bibia wa man no memo ayedin totally. And I say I am president. I excellency na nado danko Akufo-Addo. O say no amamo na ayedin. Wa pija nsa. onti mi nyaho bibia bi nemom do baba be succeed no ono na obetimi ogidi se obetimi abesisa nioma. How can this come from a whole president? It's so shocking.
I don't think so now His Excellency President of the Republic of Ghana person Chelsea bia o mu ntimi nye but person Chelsea definitely so no ni wa the obeba no so betimi aye.
Have you listened to the or have you watched the video?
I watched.
You've watched it?
Yes, I have.
And you are giving me this?
I have to.
Somebody on will see the boss. No. Say the economy is here. This is not the first time.
Because he believes that His Excellency Vice President Bawumia, a economist, no, obetimi had much more.
Okay, fine. To know be at 7 years, Minyaba. Say 7 meduane ye.
Yeah.
Na say Yakofo bi meduane ye bro 7 years. Okay. Na 7 years oni nipa netimi atena. Maybe so asemo. Untimi meduane no wana. Obi meduane ye. It is a one be when the be at the boss Ghana be ya. In few so I will make the nadu atanano. I did one fasa at Junan Sebi, a dreaming Yansananya day, and farmer and nadu. I'm an answer Sanyoma. So I dear the Fufona, His Excellency Baumia, or Baby Beam. A dear the Fufona or the Beba. A dear no Babesi Sano. And the dollar is sitting 12 cities. Dollar is sitting 12 cities. And yet too much. Fuel, and the fuel is hitting like 60-70 cities. Maybe electricity tariff. So, and there should be electricity tariff. And my Ghana fuel GD too much. Totally. Because Tamana Mama, Mama, but 7 years now, come and see Ghana. Ghana is a wonder. I'm telling you. Ghana is because we show your ma, former president, Eddie Gukwamoa. Maybe Biacha say, Ghana, oh, Ade. Maybe I say IMF report 2017. What happened? I was Ghana economy now. 2017. Essentially, Papa, former President Mama, Edgo Akwamunti. We say we have a cash show. 2017, IMF report. It's here. Okay. See, BBI. It's a man now, dear Go Akwamu, and from Sana will be able. Would you just cut to work? Come on.
So, Jessica added a hole.
His Heritage Fancy and Adam.
His Excellency, President Ebert Nabia Person. So I say, Sikabia and Wamatuscabia.
Thank you very much. Just recently, the video will go viral. Or say, I Muhammad Jamisika and Escano Jai and then also.
Are you sure it's him?
Oh, my dance here. Me what's the ultimate person I can't send me and send me wow. And yet, I send you be a day. Okay, dear. Okay. And idea go viral.
Okay.
The better I assembly no maka intro.
Okay.
The bien no matana metia maka intro. All right. It's Baumia dear our problem. Say minimum say Kennedy send $500 million and what the man and I said I'm an ST party name.
That's another question for another
because I send a Messi kono
Nana Obama and Sana Marco break na me next topic na me discuss.
Okay.
Minioba. Very interesting.
Okay.
Na unya such characters. Make such allegations against the president, the vice president, and MPP government, and very interesting. Because first of all, also Baumia is a Baumia and
the biggest liar in Ghana.
You see, a man Yosama Yeyi, Yankan will say, Atemo, the people. Only maybe.
Sure.
Sadie we. Sami Jemfi, Ayomu, National Communications Officer. And one Anna Perry, our Yomu Communications Officer. Omono behind Sadio.
Okay.
Yes, share over 2021-2022. Na Omo dia debi by a Fimbi back room ha, no more kind of fix the country.
Yes.
So okay.
I remember.
Mo
Almost I say oh Twitter. Every blessed day. Now I'm post this more than 100 times. And now call Google. Both fix the country better radical. It's about me as a liar. Sami Jemfi na account no. Your friend is Sami Jemfi 2017.
Oh, okay.
Only Anna Perry. Twitter. No yes every blessed day Sami Jemfi in the boys and in the social media. Posting more than 100 times. Twitter. Now only expose ba kwa bae. Sami Jemfi. No NDC National Communication Officer. A UK-based firm, a research firm. Any joy. I FM. I could research about this Baumia is a liar. Never told you say. Sami Jemfi. Any Anna Perry. Any change. Iti obetana now make it this allegation. Say bo. Yeah, movie there we have the information. And Joy FM, munim dewa oni aban ni sifa aircom. You know. And a UK-based firm no, I am before na kofa wo. Omo anom ko tena say omo say obo ba umi dey say liar. Na mum yen ko research about it.
And omo researching.
No researching. Iti obo ba umia efresen. Oko
the biggest liar in Ghana.
Oko Google say. Okay. Now obo efresen Sami Jemfi exposed about Baumia is a liar na. Ebe show about say. Join you safa a piece of FM online, a Ghana web. Sami Jemfi na share Baumia is a liar na. You guys are some way ya. Me na neje ni ti po aye hwe ne. Ehu ne say e ade bia e babumbo no e de ahye ball. E bia o se Baumia ni credibility. Then this for ye probi o credibility aye Jo Mahama. Jo Mahama de onye credible wo krom awo. Jo Mahama nye credible. Because Jo Mahama then now they kai Jo Mahama. And the Kufuor then now they kai no. What the Metromas, what the health insurance, free maternal health care. Atames then now they kai no. What the Memfa Kufuor single spine or implement it to Atames Bene, ebe implement it. Memfa Atames. Jo Mahama then now they kai no. What's what you want to me move?
Oh, say Osisi schools.
Oh. In the year 2007, 2008, Jo Mahama, former president on any NDC, Ekachire Kufuor say, Usisi adan oya kwan so to say usisi school adan it is an exercise of mediocrity because I aban bi asade o say oye the okazazem na Jo Mahama azem na ogan e betumi de ama no it was Jo Mahama hu ade bia de be kan Akufuado den ade kan and now the free SHS na be kan and ne Jo Mahama de be kan ne say onu no di sum be she Ghana so and na me nua pani oye Kumawood actor. I
was going to ask him that because when we say
yes,
Doomson
oye Kumawood actor. And the Kumawood phonema saying na was Jo Mahama
is like
was Jo Mahama
because no ya dey be na person be definitely. It is oba show this maybe say no say.
Kasa sem we kire me na neje say Jo Mahama ye credible la. Ono obe say Ghana phonema. Uko Tamale Teaching Hospital and then 8 years pepe. Mama no say yimu a omo chicha na omo oji awo. Jo Mahama dum light with Tamale Teaching Hospital. Mama me ni femu wi. Konongo haya. Mama ne jane magudem o se me ko all night aba. Nkura ni nyina hye because of Jo Mahama edum so the better. We kuma would actor we say actor. So to say Jo Mahama say monuma. O say ni Jo Mahama chi. Abba.
Well,
this is say a section of people be somebody Jo Mahama because Akufuado e disappointed womo. Akufuado we a nation builder. No for sikana enkoto to be it. On fa enkoto to adan. No for a certain group of people. No. Akufuado no do that. Akufuado be check and na me no ka say ebusua biemu. Akufuado hwe nipa wo.
Is it because of the free SHS?
Yes, ebusua biemu. Hwe o de Ghana o yisika wo. But Jo Mahama onya Ghana ejapade no o se me kukuru ni nyina ma menua osa ofa o my way ne box site nyina se me de koma me menua and now se Jo Mahama ye credible
and was working on his own.
Yes, Ibrahim do a business tycoon. So to say but ade a ye nyina ye betumi edi so mfazo no o de ma nipa baako Akufuado o se me che ebusue biemu. Okay. And then you see o say Baumia nye credible. Na Baumia twatro metie Obia oye corrupt. So to say, Obia oye corrupt, and now about corruption, synonym for corruption, Jo Mahama. Synonym for corruption. John Mahama. Hey, Baumia, what to say? Baumia Koja de Mudiepe. What is about Baumia Koja de?
But that was an accusation.
Debbie, John Mahama, they wouldn't even know. Okwa international, John Mahama say ho. People are katam zamebwa. Eba scanner. Yasi kokoto plane lane. Osi ato so bako. Plane hangar. What if I Ghana $17 million? Do fix it plane munyum. Ebo Baumia befa no. Plane munyum no. Oman $1 million. And the hell corrupt official. Ghana areas in no. Ye flow government official one. Who Ghana anymore? Who still person will be mampenibium? Credibility in our head.
Wow, so that's interesting. Of course, live on Facebook, Koowaa TV, GH live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, and now pay many Sly represents on the NDs, of course, and NAJ represents the MPP or MPP communication team member. But say me try me when I'm this is what I want to ask them. And Sana, Mama Musa Kwenya, Mama Musa Mabem, and say maybe someone say now. His Excellency, former President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency, of course, your friend say Mahama, any Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, to say ya elected Ghana had a MPP NDC. Obiaso Ababex Labenya Katianaso, Eda, say, why any bit to me a big Ghana, a true baby, I was a true, but we traveling home, you better also stay with us.
Oh, how to make out for Dory for bigger plus amount. Sell J one a boost to immune system. Make sure say come with Janoshi, they can't no serious one. A pretty iron getting kitty be a fully pedrian. Sada na me no complain say ne honam nyina janeja. Na me man or Dory for bigger plus no. A boost to immune system no. Make sure say a can in Mojanoshi. Ama and name ku ejina brand. Hey sir, Dory for bigger plus into you for the mania dribia. Who call your motor dribia? We are Dory for bigger plus. Hey, Dory for Vigo Plus. It is our heart capsules.
It's na yada be catch them say oh na who say oh do and now wapomu ayemra na say immune system no ano ayemre e ba say ohia edrobi to say Dory for Vigo Plus na etimi boost immune system no me say e beka omugya na no hye na etimi akoetia ya we krankro biara a ewo ni paduani e maru enfi say busumi edikan no wo fedro ya wontimi ne ohukani enhia oba kaise obeyisu panty liner na watimi di boni ehu enoma ebesnako minua bema kai hunu se bosumi ba akwa kwantu enafom enti se wontimi a na wapebibi e de abo online
Dory for Vigo Plus enye ma opemfo na abofra wonya emfie dumienu
Abba, I need you some new. Odifo bakopa awurade ayi na ma ya awiemre mu ni odifo Samson kwaku yeboa dodo na friend no awiemfo ba papa yempaibo wo kwiada na waye sunsumunwuma nso efiada na ne kwasi da nso so no wode asori checheche apie so amaye kona kohwe odifo Samson kwaku yeboa nsekire ne dia wo ye japekrum empokire ben ne da wo so konson ben no bonsam dia to wo so yinyina ebebie ama hoto aba de wo pa aware de wo pa kwantuo entutu mirika enkopiem ewo drobu japekrum papa san ehwe ne a woni bie enyanka papa hwe won nyina gi mofrei ehwe won kosi se wo befiri ne nanse akọ de dadwina ye ne sokodanna na wachi wiase afa na nyina ahotoma wontutu mirika me enkopiem ewo drobu japekrum fre odifo ewo 0243356583 odifo Samson kwaku yeboa osi awiemfo ba
camera speeds area
on Facebook, Koowaa TV, GH, and subscribe to your channel, and like your page, and comment, and share. What do comment about making kind a day? Akaka crabby na, Yabamo, Quenya, my own son, or Wafre, na, and somebody too, John, once what do I drink share Eddie? But before I call breaking on, now make us say, I want to ask these two gentlemen, Sly, and of course, an AJ say, for now, no, Obianim say, His Excellency, former President Mahama. Wabetna akunyan so abumai bi pen ena wako ena sese osen baba now His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ono so no Vice President or daso etisu sese ya to abama no oba be flag bearer obetu franka ediama the New Patriotic Party for the year 2024 election. Now these two people why any bit me Eddie Ghana Edru baby it was say Jedru. I want to start with Sly because here now can say maybe 2 minutes been a rebut what Neji.
Mama 1-2 minutes when I find
1 minute.
Yeah, Neji Kasano Osidi Baumia biggest liar and Yana Crana Sami Jemfin for him could say Mammy Yantia na Baumia Bekache say Oba in all the 16 regions community be obviously SHS ho amomo me pacho ahefa na yesibi ahefa na yesibi just tell me okay ayentro okay yantia ana march of April workers were arrested at the rate of 4.2 in December was 3.9 was 3.9 4.2 also arrested dollar and the dollar on 12 cities ayentro ni benono no. Is it the entrobium in the country? As I was about me as the biggest liar in Africa. Some of them are heading.
Say it is one and no shake.
Was it do some good girl, and also no MPP in a surgery. MPP in a surgery. Massa, anybody incredible only credibility. Nana credible.
Nana Casanana can say, Sebius, you know, during a former President Mahama time, doing so a buyer, affected youths with precise.
I'm coming there. I'm coming there. Do so no senior work can see, sir. What is okay, Mahama do so by? Of course. And you believe that?
Of course, the time. The time when it's fair. So that's exactly.
Look, do so started. I don't know your age. I don't know Neji's age. Yeah. But for you to tell me, said do so started from Muhammad's time, no? Me do my will be brave.
Because no, but it was terrible during his regime.
Do so started immediately somewhere around 2002, 2003. That was former President Kufuor's time. And they do some year do you know what this man did? One of say a spiritual issue to Ogada so for say how can the president reason like this? When the problem like your first energy crisis, we say a spiritual. It's Yankada so for Yanko Akusumbunko Bompaye. They show about the goom. They show me the go Akusumbu. And the two nurse. Ebeto Mahama. Mama say no. I did we a digana for too much. We a technical. It's a visionary person.
What did
he solve this problem? Okay. You asking me what Mahama did? Let me tell you what he did. He was able to import power badges.
Okay.
Car power badges. And do so. In will be my because of poor poor management of the economy. First the energy sector, we are going back to do so. And you could do so. So bet me do night almost 10 hours. Me and so a bit 12 hours. Now and so Ubusa, yes, do CC. Which one is doing CC?
Now, Bora, my topic, my second topic.
What my main face?
I was
good. Don't be seen say, you best say. Do so answer to Mahama time. And Mahama said, if you Lebanon, one for doing something to Mama, or Betuye, and of fixing your own energy minister. You be saying, say, Mubaya Muslim of doing so. We are saying, and I don't want to solve your soul. Mahama is solve we.
Okay.
You buy a far 1 single megawatt in the day, and make a national grid on. You're fair non to chain. John Dramani Mahama is Excellency, and His Excellency Vice President Mahmoud Bawumia. they've been in one position before. They've all been as vice presidents in their lives. Usha Mahama time. Adwina ne krano na ode boa ne leader and any superior. Eye Mosa. Eni hye ya wo de to. O free abai mu no. Na enoma didadidadida na akwamu a. Na wo de tutu enne a me no kasei. Baumia as vice president ama. Mo say emutwi we no beka say a vast. Okay. Emutwi bebre. Yes, in free yen exchange rates. During Mahama as vice president, na exchange rate.
Vice president to president.
To president. Okay, my main cancer.
Yes. Because I don't know, say vice president 4 years, at the camp president is with 8 years into unim the ins and outs of the country. And you all say baby. That's what I really want to know.
What's meeting us say my dollar enter 4 cities. The free was 3 cities 90 pesos. Compared to economists, 3 cities 90 pesos in December 2016. Okay. At the time I know more arrested dollar was 4.2. That was in April. I mean I stand to be corrected. I think it was April. It was 4.2. But if it was 3.9, and now dollar is 12 cities. Ghana from Kwame Nkrumah time to former President Mahama time, if it was 120 billion Ghana cedis. You see, economists may ba, or see we are not going to borrow, or see yem borrow, or see yem borrow. But we are see yem borrow, you buy yem borrow, you move from taxation to the production. Where you buy me no more semo, and you buy me no more sem. Then you move from taxation. Just say you fat taxes is a ma. Minimum you be production kwa. You see, and the Ghana is around 600 billion. Economists know. Masa.
Mahama ba His Excellency. Obetimi ama normal ejina pinti.
And yes, Mahama ba is obema normal ejina pinti. Obetuto normal yi.
But he couldn't do it when he was in power.
Come again?
But he couldn't do it when he was.
He couldn't do it. Do Mahama time what 10 million should be to my dinner now to me. And now 10 million should be to then out there. And then it depends. It depends on the end.
It depends on what I really want to use it for.
Ah, Masa. Me from Masa.
Just say, it's like
10 million Mahama time and less need to me the top mattresses or to me talk king size.
And I make I say depending on your
and 10 million. Or to be front to your friend say 1.5 bed, 8 inches, high density. No. What's it then? So are you trying to tell me say you see, I trying to say one is greater than 10 and some of us will catch me. Some of us will catch you Ghana for. Say and no matter your pass and plano, and yes, I'm a time. Means you trying to tell me say 1 is greater than 10. Which is not right. And you matter to your pass, let's accept the fact. Say the president admit accept to say, and you matter to your pass. It's a me say, but me a dear for no the babe a bois or man on the babe can or man on punch. What be our deba?
Okay, but His Excellency former president all be dear. And no, for no deba.
Set a bank, but set a 1 year word to me a chimney. Don't say I'm in your break. I don't want to do the time Mahama. Do so.
All right. Yes, I was a mommy college, but then I'm a member of what you can His Excellency Baumia and the Beckham because he say no, what me I a vice president for 8 solid years. They say also by a president. Na she say no, we are vice president to Crown Ghana. You see you went me arrested dollar no any idea. They say oh bandy. Oba be arrested dollar na me want to ya na.
Menuaba. E ka se check ya de bi. Baumia is a liar no. Eno ni. Oko first Ghana web. So after the one. Obi ofie fa the phone. Obi am Samija fee of the NDC is exposed over fake Baumia Baulaya trends.
All right, so you Nana, let's go ahead
the
with
results.
The two.
Now, okay. Touch us him. You see, Ubisan a specific question.
Sure.
Say, then pa na former President John Dramani Mahama oba be ye biom.
Exactly.
Because wodi mampani abedi ekyire.
Abedi
president be. Adepo from ben pa. Once or the kwan ho wentumi anka de baako. The second coming of John Mahama ye Ghana pontie ni. Omuni ade papa bi omo be yama Ghana. NDC ni ade papa bi o be yama Ghana. Wo ye babu na tie ni. Oso ono oba. Obebubo nkuko mu nketenkete. Na wode nkukwa nketenkete egumama wo. Ene ni ade a John Mahama se oba be yama wo. Osi se wo ton nkukọ ne eto na nkukọ ne ntubio mu a waton sa nkukọ nketenkete.
Any business. What is kind of a sham of?
Se nkukọ ne ntubio mu a na wo mo ma yeden wavre.
Okay.
Your Mahama ne kasa azem chire mebu no. Now they don't know. Umunim say ewiase ne nyina is in a digital age. We are in a digital age. So now you need somebody. Our take that trend ne we are say kono na we push you to Sanioman. Okay. And ne Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia enkane no bibi sa question baako na utumi send sika free Vodafone so call MTN na utumi the few wallet so bank account so eba wo friend saying friend say mobile
no
na utumi transfer kwa amanone obi send Western Union a ade say o friend say wo ko gina bank na wakwa yi sika we nyina Dr. Bawumia sesat ade no. Mamika Semicho, they afraid be mobile money interoperability. Sadia Mika says, yes, and Mamma Senema, or the Quamtian so, your Mahama former president. Say, oh, Yama Ghana for in the year 2016, Sikawo used to know $1.2 billion. Billion dollars, $1.2 billion. Some may send mobile money free, me MTN so I Vodafone so every me bank account so eba me wallet so your mama so Yama Ghana. $1.2 billion. Dr. Bawumia Tnasikum, Mosi John Mahama, Udu NDC for no, Macron for. Menya Sadian, Mitem, certain switch, you term, Dr. Bawumia Yusu, $4 million, and a yes, Sadian, with saving Ghana over $1.2 billion. Akamuria, Akwakudi.
What's new is he bringing on?
Yes, we are in a digital age. Okay. So you cannot fix the economy without digitization. And the US ni through digitization. UK through digitization. You need somebody with that thinking to drive the nation. And course abiyan. And then to crom ha. Yes, you are manonedi. Ukona ukodi bone kitwebia kakrebia ebecho. Edentia. Because of the digitization and the system of my day on my beauty. Ye pesi edru ho. So to say, itiene Dr. Diakwa kudru ho. Chrono anamoboy interoperability with them. Your Mahama name guase. Ose me kofa John Mahama ba. So I say, ebio Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia na na kufa do lay the foundation. Because now economy. Ada na manka economy in the year 2018. Ada na this for manka economy in the year 2019. Ada na manka economy in the year 2020. Asem na ba. Because say enye aturanche me betu wiase nyina. Ekaga na anyhow. Because indeed, said Dr. Bawumia Kasemi arrested the dollar and the CD now. Yes, or arresting. It in the year 2018, not dollar and saying. In the year 2019, not dollar and saying. In the year 2020, not dollar and saying. You are talking about inflation. Inflation, Akufa Doni Bawumia and Amma Ghana, single digit number for 3 consecutive years.
Now, Ghana for a one church, they want more someone bread, no more dear momo. Now, Vice President, say, went to me, Emma Ghana to me for a one tomo. Now you're coming back, you said, oh, Obama, you want toy. How is he going to do it?
We are talking about economy.
Okay.
Economy, economy, yes. Economy, no. All the economic indicators, no. It sounded good. So you need a candidate, and now you need a president. What is Hanyo Manase? Yeah, before economy, and now practice your pansam. Now you free, sir, or how no. You free more, you are going to and you could share quenchia. But a question quenchia, and I buy them pabaye. Because you before a GDP of 3.4%.
Okay.
Before Bisa Homo, I am Okaze, and I am to me talking, get say, me to me talk Calipose, me to me to say, Bisano. Kufo free so economy be no di jamo o jamo middle income status o man na ya sasu ye tie dware mo fa o man ko bon ofi ase mo sai bibia wo krom ase and then you are saying say mo be fa economy akufo di jamo MPP one di jamo better no mo say mo ye better than eya MPP2 no te so no yemra yemfa the economic indicators no one by one na yemmisa say kufo every so in the year 2008 no
okay
yemmisa say na the cedi and dollar na say ojam 1:1 all right mu peja kokodu 4.2 as 2016 mu free so ye jetu say yes indeed ye ba ye ni maintain no ekokoduru a certain year 2020 and the wiase nyina atoranche metu wiase all right it in the year 2019 in US now unemployed rate in US was 3.7%. As we speak 2022-2023 and then I'm 10% because of Amuchre.
All right.
It's an overcatch say Joe Biden Kamala Harris managing your
okay, so in all, no, His Excellency Baumia Ebame, right?
Baumi, you lay the foundation away.
All right.
So to say, it's Baumia ba, no the Edino Ababesiso, because despite of all the challenges,
okay.
Okay.
All right.
So to say, okay. This pro-poor policies are now. Ekufado ye better, only Baumia ye better than your mama. Your mama any the alternative.
Well, Ebrena, I have to just allow you to come in. I don't know what would be to say. 1 second. Now, my mommy call us no Emra, a few minutes. Yeah.
And the dollar do 12 cities. Digitalization. And the Ghana do 600 billion.
Okay.
You Ghana for Damasi. Ghana for Damasi. Mimi ni abri awo kasa na hwan na mahama achievement na hwan. Mame, share we a 60 achievement of John Mahama. A brand new. And yes, I can be clean.
50 achievement.
Over achievement. But I'm because toilet to a hojoha and you want toilet about
give me a call now. Let's go. Give me a call. Give me a call. Give me a call and call me when I be time my funny you know my find more time your bed programming will be a binyani see be 10 minutes you talk 10 then we move on and then you know the maiden edition of a Koowaa political show it's a morning show it's a more fun inside and premier night young in summer yabu boss
hello
good morning.
Morning.
Mbacho dini baby afre me free.
Because of the dream you are seeing.
Mbacho yinti.
MPP ni ndisi na pisuoro. Omko bumi ni omanya biadi. Omanya biadi. Ekoye ma wasa na bakandi. Ana me boa.
Omunyenye.
Ankoye nso dia ne what just on phone. And so me ni na ti o say ni biadi. It is MPP ni ndisi ni abewo. Ompa baby fa no man em pay to papa ita
yeah that's it
jana you tell see am say you use am go for me in minutes you that's it
that's of course they offer me that you koye lim in some ya can you can also just add you so power the bra na you call hello good morning oh sorry what's me and you the line I trip into no keep on trying na automa me pick on na yen koye so fast me time no I break hello good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho di ni baby afre me free.
Ma je fa na ko si, ko se film ampontin.
But I pacho enti wa no pe.
No pe, be se me kaka se. Aya na ye tage Dr. Mahmoud Baumia se we vice president enu kwa so saba biu. Ewi ase no so no akono ma me tekura na. O ka so ka wunti. It mu bi nya Baumia no so embra me tena kunya no so. Na won so enten power obetimi aye. Ni nya se o vice president that nya no omra metin to me e wo kwen so se da be ya no so betimi adi o man no akwanimu because say the o man so e kono you say be be bia the determination kwan ni say e ko utifi kwa utimi use call bank unko sala bank bium ti mu yesi nya ba o nya no omra no for Ghana to be paid infra help back.
But I say exactly 8 a.m. In fact, 2 calls or 3 calls. Nothing much. Draw the curtains down. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me pacho dini baby afre me free.
Yes, you know something. Because from command.
Me pacho inti wa no.
Good morning. Good morning. You never na pompe.
Na mi adome ho e.
O de omu ni mu kana. Yenyu na yitini because from command pompe. Ehia me say obi be kan say ni say
and this NPP for me, or Moon Baby. Let's have a come. Now, what can you mamma? And yet, NPP buy it or no way. First one, and the second one, Wasaba. And then this is what's so bad. You can hear me be a nice crown, and yet you like them. If you want it, and this is my soon. You're not free senior high school among Colane or school. There, you MPP knew what to tell this winter. Don't say your mamma, police back, okay, you buy or they buy. What do you mean to that? And it's a gun for you say you mistake what you was short memory. Your mamma cut the gun what you was short memory, tell you if you had ampa. And today is if you had you can be a sacofanaba. No more what sacofa in the sacofa will be. It can be a mid cut the gun of one and said, no one can this here. Almost your one, a quick on the cat, or more woman to say, almost one more to be to cover Gamma Ha, Yancho. Yentini found into one kind of some one woman to say, one may dig gun as it can be answering to woman. It's really a Jamaican say, will be answering Dr. Mahmoud Bawia. Young Kotobanamano, one may a gun and he send me air costume and electricity bill, won't me revenue. To what I say, and then Yama would give work permanently. Then you know, young players, Yahuta Pane and Yamsumpa and Taniki, who want to nimber power. No, the other focus assassination. Manuel,
I say, I don't think so. Me fa Koowaa a be me or say me be fee na fee na sorry mo fa cheme na mama mo time be brave. Nyame adumo chi na me mama mo time be brave. Nana, ye be ko you have 1 minute na ye rapia.
Me nyaba. Yes sorry son. Me magana fo nyina nte say. John Mahama former president. Say onu die. Ontumi mfa 4 years enso be Ghana for how. John Mahama ewo 4 years. Say ye to abampuma na bedi 1 term pe. Na nipa ise ontumi mfa eye 1 term enso be Ghana for how enso be the economy. Eye den na wo se me koto abama. Alright. Ebio Ghana frontier asese. John Mahama ye nim de no ono anoso yo ba. John Mahama no ni teacher and nursing for eto ayire. Ekọ obet say mumetwa malawances mo pa mo mpe. Metwa mo metwam mo pa mo to abanye den entia me. John Mahama ya na mabunu ye pa adwuma oka kire say onye magician onye professor wato abama ye we first one ma ye adwuma ye den aye John Mahama ya na one ne NDC fo nam krom ha say nioma boa ye de John Mahama ya na koton tema port wato no for 35 good years. I'm a French investor. I am friend Vincent Balori. It's a nioma boa ye de ni nyina no me say mo me mfa ho subo nyina mo John Mahama because Ghana port ye tema port ye shepe nyoma nyina free oba no John Mahama dia kwesi awa for 35 good years. And then John Mahama ya former president he onu no si won samba biom Ghana fon to abamma no.
All right, Nana.
John Mahama ni ndisi fo mutu mo
Nana da slide yeko.
Yo yati, you say John Mahama na Ghana ka do 600 billion. Yo ye da mase. They make Kenya ni say as a million na ya Brazil adwuma dia show mo san ezi wa mo ni anya dia. I'm so Busumis enforce.
Oh, come on.
They make Kenya say Obiani Mahama the records. Former President John Mahama is Obiani records. Say Eba hospitals is here. Eba Aquine. Eba schools. The hospital agenda 111 baby.
Say 111. Mama hospitals 390.
111. Now Ufa University of Ghana Medical Center
all right, let me they cannot be okay with whatever that they have. Of course, I don't pay. But then when once they slide representing and this is like we hear introduction we all know him. Fine gentleman, come on with the actor, and I know probably name of my NDC Sanson and my handsome black, we say black handsome Nanaji a MPP communication team member, of course, and then that's that everyone would do for you for Samson. Was Samson during Fabigo Plus sponsor, you bet that one once say, or him as Treasures Boutique, and then clothing me, what I got show money, a see West Row Bank, and a word dying back. Production crew for this morning, the executive producer for the show, Ora Sapdak, who's the CEO himself, Sanso, and I'm an adorable director ever. I could see Adomakon Junior or no, Oji or no, and our director famous and in your face of, and I share MCR at the MI. Me did the Diane doing, of course. If we are done, Kushia oh, Kumasi 104.1, the Kumasi Council, you may be so. I bet you someone. Have a good day. Bye. Your watch.
Ansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba